Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 18th of June 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.49%, settling the day at 38,778.10 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,855.06, rising 0.94%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,478.45 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,983.38. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 23,593, indicating a gap-up start for the Indian market. FII bought 2,175.86 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Hyundai Motor, suppliers shares rise in Seoul as India unit files for IPO. The Korean automaker is selling a 17.5% stake in Hyundai Motor India Limited. Adani Ports wins green nod for 45,000 crore rupees Mundra expansion. FM Sitharaman likely to present Union Budget 2024-25 in July end. Now talking about global aspects, the University of Michigan consumer sentiment for the US fell for a third straight month to 65.6 in June. China's industrial production expanded by 5.6% year-on-year in May, coming less than market expectations of a 6% rise and easing from a 6.7% growth in the previous month. WTI traded 2.4% higher at $80.33 a barrel, while Brent climbed 2% to $84.25 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.97. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.26%. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. The Indian benchmark indices had a positive week, with the Nifty 50 reaching an all-time high of 23,490.40 before closing the week at 23,465.60, marking a 0.75% increase from the previous week. The market had faced some challenges the week before when prices dropped to a multi-week low of 21,281 due to an unfavorable election outcome. However, prices rebounded by almost 10.50% since then. The Bank Nifty also saw gains, ending the week with a 0.40% increase. Outlook for the day. In the Nifty index, there has been consolidation for 5 consecutive days, culminating in a weekly close with a gain of approximately 175 points. On a daily chart analysis, Nifty has been consolidating within a wide range of 23,200 to 23,500. The hourly momentum indicator shows a positive crossover from the equilibrium line, indicating that the consolidation phase has likely matured, and there's potential for the next upward movement to begin. Bank Nifty maintained its consolidation phase, ending the session above the key 50,000 level, where significant call-side open interest has accumulated. To validate an upward breakout toward the 51,000 level, the index must decisively breach the 50,200 mark. Support is established around the 49,500 to 49,400 zone, and a breach below this range could initiate further downside movement towards 49,000. Stocks on radar are BAML, Masdaq, GEPIL, Cheplast, SKF India. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.